Section 12 of Assemble's Getting Started tutorial introduces how to create a new user, make a user an administrator, deactivate a user, reactivate a user, and finally, add a user to a project. For a detailed description of user permissions, click on the link referenced in the Getting Started tutorial. Assemble has 3 permission levels: administrator, project administrator, and team member. An Assemble administrator must first create the user account, and the user must then accept the invitation and sign into the account using their web browser to access Assemble. To add a user, click on the admin link in the upper right-hand corner of the project dashboard upon logging in. At the top of the Users panel, click Add a User. Enter the name, an email address, and choose whether or not that person will be an administrator and can manage projects and users. Then click Add and Send Invitation to send the user their invite. You can change the administrator status of a user by simply clicking on their name. Then simply click on the box next to Administrator to remove their privileges and click Save. Deactivating a user will restrict their access to the site entirely, and they will not be able to access the Assemble account at all. To reactivate a user, simply click on Activate to turn their access on. Once a user has been added to the site, return to the project dashboard by clicking on the Projects page to choose a project you'd like to add them to. Click on the project you'd like to add them to. Then from the upper right-hand corner, click Edit Project. Then choose or search for the person that you'd like to add to the project. After they're added, you can choose to make them a project administrator or a team member. You can also choose to remove them from the project. Assemble administrators will automatically be added to every project in the system. Then click Done.